Hi everyone, I'm Miss Mallory over at the Idaho Falls Public Library. Thanks for joining me for today's video tutorial. It's getting to be that time of year where we're planting gardens and we're watching flowers and plants grow. So today we're going to plant a seed. For this project, you're going to need a packet of seeds or any seeds that you might have from your own garden last year, some potting soil, a cup or other container to plant your seeds in, and you'll also need some water and a nice sunny place for your plant to grow. So we're going to start out by putting some soil into our cup. I'm going to scoop soil so that our cup is almost full. We're going to press down our soil there, and we're going to pick a couple of seeds to put in. So the sunflower seeds that I'm planting today are a mix, which means they're going to be different colors. So I'm going to pick two seeds that look different, and hopefully that means that when my flowers sprout, I'll have two different flowers. So I've got a small white seed here. I'm going to go ahead and just press that carefully into our soil. And then I'm going to pick this small black one because it looks really different from the first one we did. Press that into the soil. Then we're going to want to take a loose handful of soil and put it on top. We don't want our seeds to be too far underneath the soil because that's going to make it more difficult for them to come up out of the ground. So just a little bit there. Once you have your seeds planted, you're going to put some water on them. If you have a seed packet, you're going to see that it tells you how often to water it and when you should expect your plants to sprout. If you're not planting from a seed packet though, you can just make sure that you keep your water moist. And if you notice that your soil is getting dry, just go ahead and add some water. Make sure to keep it in a nice sunny window, or you can even set it outside since the weather has gotten nicer and it's not too cold overnight for the plants to grow. If you're interested in gardening, we have some really great books here at the library that talk all about it. One of them is A Seed is Sleepy. You can learn all about seeds, how to plant them, how they grow, and what happens to a seed after it's planted. We also have Hobby Time Gardening. This one's by Judith Hennigan. It talks about gardening and how to start your own garden, how to take care of a garden, and what things you might be able to plant. This is a really great book out of our nonfiction collection. All the books I'm going to talk about, including that first one we mentioned, are going to be in our nonfiction collection. We also have a book called Organic Gardening. It's by Virginia Lohagen. This book talks about how you can garden in an organic way. It tells you what organic gardening is and what materials you'll need to plant your own organic garden. And finally, we have a book called Plants Can't Sit Still, and it's by Rebecca E. Hirsch. This book talks all about plants, how they grow, and how they move when you might not even notice it. Thanks for joining me to plant a seed today. I hope you have fun, and you can share pictures of your plants once they sprout on the Idaho Falls Public Library Facebook page if you'd like us to see the things you planted.